Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
On 20th August 2022, the Upper Shillong Boxing Association (USBA) had opened its hall located in Upper Shillong for imparting training to the youth of the area in the sport of boxing. This hall was inaugurated by the MLA of Mylliem, who is also the minister in the MDA government, Hamletson Dohling, who graced the occasion as the chief guest. Others present included the owner of the land where the hall was constructed, Mrs. Moralin Thangkhiew, as the guest of honor, in the presence of the Rangbah Shnong of Nongkseh, Synjuk Kynthei Raid Sawkur Nongkseh, the members and office bearers of the USBA, amongst others. While speaking on the occasion, the chief guest lauded Kong Thangkhiew and her family for their generosity not only in donating the land but also helping in the construction of the building, which will help the youth of the area to develop themselves in the game of boxing so they can be free from all bad habits and other elements of social evil. Dohling also lauded the USBA who had trained the youth in the game of boxing, where they had participated and won medals in many tournaments held within and outside of Meghalaya. The MLA of Mylliem also recalled the fact that since he became the representative of the area, he had done a lot for the development and growth of sports in the constituency, since he too is a sports person. At the same time, he urged upon the youth to not get themselves involved in bad habits, but instead to take advantage of the government's recently launched Yes Meghalaya scheme, through which any organization can avail financial assistance of up to Rs 1 lakh.
Gold, silver, or bronze. Again, kalau kejujuran ini association, kejujuran ini kita kipa, but kalau kejujuran yang aku nanti, nama orang ini dihun, tidak bisa berhubung ini, but terishom kita minum. Kita kalau begini, ada jingaro berpakai, yang association, agar pakai ikut, berjauh di provinsi utara Denpasar. Kami ini yang dikenal dengan polisi. Dalam ini yang dalam bagi kita ini dihat juga boxing Upper. Saya kena ini. Yang ini diberi. Nanti Nongkseh diberi kepada orang diberi. Orang yang lebih, orang yang besar diberi yang tak kenal sama. Kali diskusi tu sih kali message ke bakar pam yang ikut nama salam bakar bagi mereka bakar tanya ke mana dia pergi langsung bakar kan dia berlapan ayam nanti kenal salam jadi dia bilang salam sih kadang kam yang ketiga kemana ketiga dia ban dia kenal salam kalau kenal so Kynthei habagi trayang dikerjakan dan diskerman bah Shnong Jupi haji baca berjuang Kynthei Raid Sawkur Nongkseh, kemudian bapak bagi bala syabat ini sampai untuk berpikir. Beliau jom, menjadikan bagi tersiap buah, mantu bagi dalam kerja buah, doa di mana kita kerjakan, nama bersama di association. Bagaimana kita tahu itu ini? Nada pengajar itu ini dikenal semua tentang sports person. Di sini berpikir di bagian kan, haji begini. Lalu football suara kita sports tu berpikir langsung nanti berkamera melakukan ini. Lalu ini, lalang ini, bagaimana ya? Football ni mereka ni, lalu kickboxing, arm wrestling, mereka sedang berapa mereka wushu, nabi juga, hari wan juga, nam juga berhati.
During the event, the USBA also felicitated boxers who had won medals in different boxing tournaments held both at the state and national levels. The MLA of Mylliem at the same time had also donated a sum of rupees 1 lakh to the association.